The wait is now over. AI has revolutionized the way I work, and I have been waiting for this day for a long time now. ChatGPT has launched GPT-5. GPT-5 is available for everyone to use. Even if you are a free user of ChatGPT, you get GPT-5, but with lower limits. If you are on the Plus, Pro, or Teams plans, you would get higher limits and you would be able to get the model of GPT-5 along with GPT thinking. And if you are on the Teams or the Pro version, you would also get GPT-5 Thinking Pro, the model which you are going to love. Now, what was that I was waiting for all this while? You would say that GPT-5 is maybe similar to GPT-4, but that's wrong. GPT-5 is a new revolution in the AI technology that we have learned, we have experienced so far. GPT-5 is something which is far superior to what we have seen so far, and this is changing everything again in the AI world. Sam Altman, in his speech yesterday, compared GPT-3 to a school student, GPT-4 to a college student, and GPT-5 to a PhD level expert who knows everything and would give you expert level details. Lesser hallucinations, more better answers, more accurate results, and something which is going to change the way you work in your daily lives. Hi, my name is Yahya. I am a cloud and AI expert with over 13 years of experience in building solutions for customers across the globe. In this video, we will be creating a simple BMI calculator, which is going to be on a Chrome extension. You might ask me why a BMI calculator. Fitness is a dream of everyone, and I myself have been on a fitness journey since October 2024, wherein I've tried to revamp myself, and the journey is still ongoing. So that's why let's build a BMI calculator. It's a good way to test drive GPT-5 and also see the results live. So let's get started. Get on to GPT-5 and build a simple BMI calculator Chrome extension so that we can test drive it and see how it works in real life. So this is GPT-5 in all its glory. As you can see on the top left corner, you have GPT-5 and you have the other models. You can either go to the GPT-5, the flagship model, which will think on its own and change the model that it requires, making it multimodal. And then if you want to go into a little more depth, you can enable the GPT-5 thinking mode that enables you with deeper research and more thinking. It is similar to the O3 model that was there previously, but more powerful. So that's how it works. But let's test drive GPT-5, the flagship model, and see what results we get. So let's build the prompt. And to make a good prompt, you need to define it, a role, and you have to have the objective and multiple things. There's a prompt engineering video that I'm going to make very soon. So if you want to watch that, subscribe to my channel and hit the like button so that you would be able to also capture that video. So let's build this prompt together. Let's say as an expert into building Chrome extensions and fitness while being a good designer because I like design in my application. Build me a simple BMI calculator so that I can understand my BMI with a simple click. Now, your prompt is going to be as good as the details you're going to give it. So you need to give it all the details so that it can build a nice application. So now let's say that on the top of the app when it opens, I need a nice blue gradient design along with the words BMI calculator. And let's put this in double quotes. And in the second line, in the next line, put my name. Let's say Yahya Zakir Said. And that is all. Have the fields that are required to calculate the BMI. Now, based on your experience, you can build whatever tools you want. This is known as vibe coding. Again, vibe coding is something which I usually love to do, and I have built multiple applications using vibe coding. Now, me as an individual from my background, I don't know how to code. I don't know how to develop things, and this restricted me from reaching the next level because I always had to depend on somebody who could develop things for me. And whenever I used to make a structure, a framework of the solution that I need, I always go to a developer, and the developer either takes a lot of time or charges me a lot of money. That limited me in achieving multiple things, and that is history. Today, I simply go to ChatGPT and I start vibe coding. But again, for vibe coding, there are plenty of other tools like Cursor and Lovable. But if you have ChatGPT, you can do all of these things together on the same platform itself. I have built multiple tools using ChatGPT itself, so you don't have to look around. And ChatGPT, with the launch of GPT-5, just changes everything once again. So let's get back into this particular prompt and understand how it works. So I've built this prompt. You can even narrow it down. You can add more features. You can add more resources. Whatever you want, you can update the prompt with it. But for now, for this demo, to keep this video short and simple, I'll just say enter and let's see what happens, how GPT-5 is going to react and build this code for us and what it's going to do. So once it does the structuring and the building of the Chrome extension, we would be able to install the Chrome extension and experience this Chrome extension ourselves. It will do the design for us. There should also be an icon that is required on the Chrome extension. I'm not sure how it is going to get that done. Maybe it's going to ask me for it, or it's going to just use some random color or designed for that purpose, but these are all steps that are required in developing this Chrome extension. It's going to do everything for me. Now, you also have platforms wherein you would be able to, uh, and here it is. It says download the zip. I built you a clean one-click Chrome extension with your blue gradient header, plus your name right beneath it. It uses height and weight and all these basic things. Unzip it somewhere handy and use it. So this is going to be beautiful. Let's see how it works. Let's download the zip and put it to a test drive and see if it really works. Let's download it. Okay. And let's try to open it. Let's unzip it. Let's maybe open it in a folder. Unzip. Okay. My WinZip has expired, so that's okay. Let's unzip using the Mac utility. And it has the details. But again, to install a Chrome extension, I don't think you need to unzip anything. You simply need to go and add it to the Chrome browser. I'm not sure why I was logged out. Let's log in again. So now that we are back in, let's try to install this extension and see if it really works. So let's go into extensions, go into manage extensions, and I have these many extensions. I really don't use them much. And let's maybe try to drop this here and get it installed. So this is the extension that we've made together, a clean single click BMI calculator with a blue gradient header. Okay. It's added. Let's see how it works. Refresh it. The details are here. This is how it is built. And it should be in the extension section. Endpoint BMI. Yeah, that's over here. BMI calculator. Quick BMI calculator. Let's get back into ChatGPT so you have a good background to see and let's explore it. Again, I'm doing this for the first time with you live. I've not built a Chrome extension before, and I just thought of a BMI calculator during the video. I'm building it with you. And if you see, this is over here, this one, the last one, quick BMI calculator. Let's click on it and see how it works. Beautiful. BMI calculator, Yahya Zakir said, with a button over here. Let's put in my height, 186. What's my weight? I think it's 101 as of this morning. And it automatically calculates it. I don't even have to click that button, calculate BMI. It says I'm overweight, but when I started off my journey in October 2024, I was, the height doesn't change, but I was 115 kilos. So I was in the obese category. And my next immediate goal is to reach around 92 kilos. It would still be overweight, but I think for me as an individual with about 186 centimeters of height, 92, 93 kilos would still be good. I do a lot of swimming and also some weight training, so I think we would reach that target together. So that's how beautifully GPT-5 has built an application for us. I did the prompt in front of you live. I installed the application in front of you live, and I tested the application in front of you live. So there's nothing to hide in whatever I've shown you. It's all live, and this is how we are going to learn together. So stay tuned with me for the journey of AI and weight loss, and together we will achieve success on AI, and you will also get some insights from me on my weight loss journey. So subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for the next one. Until then, take care.